Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to enable or turn on our GPS in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The fastest way to turn on our GPS navigation is to swipe from the top again to it's here, location. Just tap it once and our GPS is now enabled. Alternatively, to do it through the settings menu, we have to go to the settings. We need to scroll all the way down until we can see location here. And here we have this little checkbox here. To enable it, we have to tap it once and our GPS is now turned on. The same to turn it off, tap it once. Our navigation is turned off. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.